Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Okay, hey guys, I am here to... Oh my goodness, not again, right? I'm not going to cut off my hair, but I am going to give my hair a trim. I have noticed while I'm washing my hair since I've cut it and I re-braided my hair, I don't know why, but I am noticing like there's a couple of strings that's kind of hanging from certain parts of my hair, like these random strings like this, and I really don't like them. I don't know if it's like a strands of hair, but look, I can show you guys how it's just kind of going, and it's gone. So I am going to just snip these off really quick and let you guys see what the ends of my hair is looking like right now. I don't know if you can really see. Yeah, you can. Okay. Come through, camera, because I mean, I didn't pay for you for nothing, okay? Now let me figure you out. Okay. There she is. Stop playing games. So this is what the ends of my hair is looking like right now. I do have apple cider vinegar and the SHEA moisture conditioner on my hair, but I've just been trying to get rid of all my store-bought hair products that I know my hair don't really care for, but I've just been pairing it with my DIY oil. But you guys, these little raggedy ends that's just kind of stringing along, I'm gonna just cut these off really quick. So this really isn't gonna be like a long video, but I did want to document that I am kind of trimming my hair again, because anytime that I do anything like different with my hair, I like for you guys to know, just so that you guys aren't left in the dark. And today is July 22nd, 2023. And I don't think I've ever really cut my hair wet. Or maybe I have. I can't remember, but I don't think I've ever cut my hair wet. And I feel like every time when I do have my hair wet, I feel like my curls kind of pop. Even before my hair texture changed, I feel like my curls kind of pop or clump differently. And I also can feel a lot more single strand knots when my hair is wet. I can feel them when it's dry, but I feel like I can feel them more when my hair is wet than dry. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of do the search and seek method. I think that's what it's called. And I don't feel like I'm cutting off that much. But I mean, who knows? I probably am, because I'm cutting off what looks just crazy. And if you guys see my big chop video, I actually didn't cut the back of my hair because I wanted the length of my hair to still be there, because I always chop off the front of my hair. So I was trying to really leave the back alone, but I feel like it's not jeopardizing my hairstyle. But once again, I don't know if it's what is it? I don't know if it's just strings or straggly hairs that's trying to shed, but I don't like the way that it feels. My son is downstairs having a time in his life, but I need the TV to entertain him so I can get these videos out for y'all. Okay, I feel like, oh yeah, that feels so much better. Like now when I'm pulling it, okay, where you at? Yep, you right there. You thought you was gonna hide. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you. Sure is. I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna cut you off, cause she ain't playing them games no more mid-2023. You got to go. Bye-bye, bro. Get off my hair, because we are flourishing for 2020. The rest of 2023 and 2024 is what we doing. We gonna have a comeback like Lazarus. Yes, come back for you. So that's what I am doing. Okay, that one's not too bad. But I am really curious as to what my hair is going to look like once I take out my braids. Y'all leave comments down below when you think I should take out my braids. I think that might be it, because it feels a lot better already. I don't know, what's that? Okay, let me see. Oh, she cut a little bit more off that one. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You probably needed it. Okay. Okay, yeah, that feels so much better. Okay. And then this is what they are looking like now. I don't know where you is, but I don't know why you so long, but I feel like I should just leave you alone so I don't mess myself up too bad. Y'all, I'm going to have to fully give myself a really good trim after I take these out of my head, because I just really did a rough trim with my braids in my head. I mean, I had twist in my hair when I cut my hair the first time. So I know most definitely when I take my hair out of these braids, I am going to need to give myself another cut or a trim, probably to help some of the uneven ends. But I almost really just want to leave these braids, or this, what am I trying to tell y'all? I want to leave dadgum braids in my hair because all of this is shorter than the back, but it ain't too bad. Like, I don't feel like it'll be like groups of hair that's just like just bald in some areas because of the way that I cut it. It kind of looked like a cool little, you know, little cut, like deep, 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 and then the hair actually gets longer as it goes deep, 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 deep. Yeah, I said deep, 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 deep. But I feel like it may not be too out of whack. But this is what my hair is looking like now. Hopefully you guys can see that. But the hair texture is giving who is she, like I keep saying. And I just got to get used to it. So y'all probably going to hear me say that quite a bit, because she has to get used to this stranger on the head. And I'm asking God, like, please help me figure out who she is. Even just period, because I don't know. I have no clue, but I'm not gonna ramble too much. But I did want to show y'all, I kind of like cutting my hair better wet. Honestly, it kind of felt really good. Like, it feels so much better. Like, you feel an immediate difference. It looks good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little quick wet trim. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.